2 words: free money. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free crypto on Coinbase just by learning about it. It's simple, quick, easy, and best of all, no catch. Let's get into it.
What's up, guys? Okay, in this video, let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and hop on to Coinbase. If you do not have a Coinbase, go ahead. I have placed a referral link in the description below that will support the channel. Anyways, you can do this on mobile and desktop. We're just going to do this on desktop. I have actually done a couple of these already, and some of them you have to do on mobile. But just for the sake of the video, let's go ahead. We'll just do it on desktop. Log into your Coinbase, and you go to Learning Rewards. You'll see this on the app when you click the, I believe it's like 9 dots to the left. Click that, click Learning Rewards, and what I've noticed is these things pop up every now and then. So, if you just create an account, maybe they might not be there. But I've actually done this throughout even like the last bull run, like when we were going into the bear. And they had a bunch of these. They were actually like putting them out every week. And, you earn $1 or $2 of that token. And, it can go up. I believe some of them went up, and I just swap them out for another token. But it's pretty cool. You earn as you learn, and that's the idea about this. They're just trying to get people educated in kind of what some of these cryptos do. They have one right here, Elio. Okay, and there's a couple easy ones, and these are $1. You can earn $1 of the token, and all you have to do is, it's a multiple choice question, and you just read a couple of prompts. So let's click here, Elio Tokenomics, and you'll just kind of read through it. Tokenomics is a term that describes the economic system and mechanism of a cryptocurrency or token. For Elio, that's the Elio token. So just go ahead and read through this. After you went ahead and read through all those, it'll pop up a 4 questions here. And how do you define tokenomics? Yeah. And don't worry if you get one of these wrong as well. Here.
How do you define down?
Okay, the answer is the economic system of a cryptocurrency. Here, we'll go ahead and click the wrong one. And then, see, we click that one. So don't worry if you get it wrong. You always get another chance. So after you do that, go ahead and click next, and sometimes it'll take 24 hours to receive the reward, but I typically have been just getting them, I believe, right away. So that's pretty much that. It's a really easy way to learn and earn and just gain a little bit of extra coin. I would recommend whenever you see these, just go ahead and plug them out. If you're interested, they do have more advanced ones, and those are the ones where you could get like $5. I've already done that one, but I recorded it on my phone. Let's go ahead and hop into that one right now.
Before we dive in, I want to take a moment to thank Blowfin for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in trading crypto, Blowfin has partnered with me to offer you 20% off your trading fees. And that's a great way to save money while making the most out of your trades. Just use my referral link code EXPLORE20 when you sign up and start trading smarter today. Check out the link in the description below. And if you're looking to learn how to trade, you can also sign up for Fanova in the referral link in the description. It'll not only help you grow as a trader, but also support the channel. And for that, I thank you deeply. Now let's get right back into it.
Hop into your Coinbase app, hit rewards, and you should see whatever's pending or whatever task at that time. So we will go ahead, and this one looks like you have to download the wallet, set up the Leo wallet, and send and receive funds, and then stake your funds on the Leo wallet. So go ahead and download the Leo wallet. Okay, after you have the Leo wallet set up, go ahead and write down your recovery phase and create a password. Once you're done there, go ahead and just go through all the prompts. Okay, now you've created your wallet. So what you're going to want to do is, I believe, let's just check what the last step was. Okay, so we want to receive our funds. So we're going to copy the Alio address. Okay, so let's go back into the wallet and we'll click receive. We'll copy that address, go to your Alio that you've already earned, and transfer that and send it to the address that you copied. So that will send the Alio to your Leo wallet from your CoinBase that you've just downloaded. So now that you have your funds on there, go ahead and use the link that it provided and stake your Alio on the platform. So after you've done that, go ahead and just click stake. And there you have it. And then go back to the CoinBase app and you could collect your rewards just like that.